welcome back. This video, I'm going to work on the drift car here. We're going to take all the brake lines off. All these up here, take those all off. We're going to take the brake fluid out, drain that. I want to take out the brake booster, the clutch master, and the wiper motor. Just strip all this engine bay out. And I'm going to have to cut the exhaust or unbolt the steering shaft down here just so I can get that out. But that's what we're going to do today, and stay tuned. Alright, so what I'm going to do is turn the steering so I can get the bolt for the steering shaft facing up instead of facing down. Yep, we're good. So, I believe that's a 12 mil. Take the steering shaft off down here. Alright, we'll scratch the plan of taking the exhaust off right now. I'm going to soak these in penetrating fluid. What I'm going to do now is get a bottle somewhere and take these lines off. So, the throttle cable I want to take out, because what I want to do is clean all this up, because that looks like crap. That looks like crap. That definitely looks like crap with a self-tapper through it. Plug these holes, like these ones. Maybe refill all these. Clean it up. Seal that off. There's a few spots down here that needs to be cleaned up. So I really don't know what just happened there, guys, but my GoPro stopped working and now I've got brake fluid leaking all over the place. Whatever. I'm gonna get some rags or something. And then take out all the brake lines. Take out the brake booster. Yeah. Sounds like fun. Put a mat underneath it so it can stop dripping all over the floor. Not like that will help much, but whatever. So now I gotta get these all this crap out of my way. This hose off of here. Slot that over there. I can get all these brake lines out. Because one, these look like junk. And two, who wants to have brake lines with high points up above the booster? So, got that one drained. That's draining. I can't get the exhaust off, so bear with me on that, guys. Let's get the the booster off. I think that's a 12 mil. I think almost everything on this car is a 12 mil. 12 or 14. Alright, be right back. Alright, well, we got the bolts broke free. The reason why I want to take everything out of it, I want to clean it up and possibly re-weld a sheet on this side for that. Sorry for the poor quality film crew, it's just myself using a GoPro. This one right there. And then see if I get sausage fingers in on this side. Because I want to take all this out, clean it, make it look better. that off. That out. Go drain the fluids into this thing. Alrighty, so we'll put this on the workbench. Now, I gotta figure out how to get that out. Alright guys, well, as you see, I got the brake line out of here, the brake line out of this side, and the brake line that went all the way up and over there, out. The only thing I've got left is this brake line that shoots to the back, or I believe it splits off right here. And then I got the fuel lines. Looks like they either stitch welded or added a section, but this chassis is starting to get me worried. So I don't know what the hell or what happened here. I know this side was hit off a wall. That's why that's like that. So I don't know how much longer this chassis. I really don't know how much longer this chassis is gonna hold up for me. I might have to switch over to the dark side and go get a BMW or something and maybe use that. V8 swap a BMW. Because to tell you the truth, this chassis is hurting. It was hurting when I got it, and it's getting worse and worse right now, so I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna keep chipping away. I gotta get the brake booster out, clutch master off. I gotta find a freaking grommet for that hole. I don't know where I put it, but yeah, back to work.